everybody. Today I would like to talk about a case study of a woman, 35 years old, which is pregnant and she is on her 16th week of pregnancy. She came to me yesterday saying that in the last week she had a flu, she had a virus with a low-grade fever. This woman, I know her from before, and her diagnosis is spleen stomach deficiency. She suffers a lot from heartburns. She feels always some uncomfortable feeling in her epigastric area. She is always tired, and she came to my clinic yesterday saying that now she doesn't have fever anymore, but she still has throat pain. She has a yellow sputum. She also has cough, but her cough is dry. She had before, due to the flu, some pain in her muscles, but no longer. And she still has nausea and lack of appetite. In addition to that, she has soft stools and diarrhea. Her sleep is well. And from this case, we understand that the Tai Yin stage is deficient. She has cough, she has phlegm, yellow phlegm, and she feels tired and she has diarrhea. So we understand that the Tai Yin stage is deficient. For treating Tai Yin disorders, we need to think about the lung and the spleen. So the upper and the middle jaw has a disharmony. One of the points that will do that is the Da Xiao Jian. Da Xiao Jian are points on the large intestine, but we know that their reaction area is the lung and the heart, meaning that they emphasize their ability to open the chest. They will treat nasal congestion, they will treat bronchitis. So this is due to their influence on the upper jaw. We always talk about Da Xiao Jian since it treats hernia, it treats also the lower jaw, but we sometimes forget that they also have an upper jaw disharmony. So when she says that she has diarrhea and she have cough, it was immediately clear that I will use Da Xiao Jian. So I use the Da Xiao Jian on her left side. And on the right side, since she has pain in her throat, I use the Chu Li, Jian Li, and the Zhong Li. And these 3 points are good for treating the throat and the neck. They will address the throat pain. Another point on the right side was San Cha San. Well, you know that San Cha San reaction area is the kidney. And it's interesting since this point will regulate the water metabolism in our body, and it will also strengthen the kidney. So when we think of pregnancy, we understand that there is always an underline of a kidney deficiency, since pregnancy needs a lot of kidney qi and kidney yuan. So when I see in pregnancy situation dealing with kidney deficiency and water metabolism imbalance, San Cha San is one of the major points that I think of. It has a wide influence. This point can treat the upper jaw, it will treat situation with water metabolism in the lung, it also treats eye disorders. Why? Since if we support through Sancha San the kidneys, we support water in order to nourish wood. That is why it can treat also wood disorders, eye disorders. And we know that Sancha San will treat back pain, lower back pain due to kidney deficiency. It will also treat edema. So Sancha San in pregnancy has a wide influence on the kidney organ, on the transformation and transportation of fluids. So I use it. And in this case, I use it also. It was also on the right side. And on the left side, beside the Da Xiao Jian, I use Dauma 3304, which is the points located on the lung meridian 3, 6, and 9, soon above lung 9. So it's the Di Shi, Ren Shi, and Tian Shi points. These points will balance the lung organ and they will stop cough. In addition, I use the Sima. The Sima points are the major points that will treat the lung. And this is the root treatment. The root treatment is to support the lung organ. That is why I chose Sima on her right thigh. Points on the thigh are very safe during pregnancy, and points on the thigh are very important points to support the Zhang Fu organ. So you should consider to use them during pregnancy and in any case that you need to support the root treatment of your patient. So it is important to know how to combine the correct points for your patients. We always need to think beyond the points function, since there is no one list of points that will treat back pain. We need to understand the combination of Master Tung's acupuncture points. For that, we need to understand the theory and the principles for using Master Tung's points. If you feel you need to get a wider explanation, or if you want to see how I choose my points, I invite you to join my course. It is an online course with 4 hours of explanations of the mirroring method and the Dauma method, the Shenjing method, and I speak also on the depth of the needling. I also have a section of the Zhang Fu Bei Tong. So if you want to understand better and get more tools in order to choose the correct points for your patients, I invite you to join my online course. So continue to do the good job that you do.